Let's finish off this lesson of solving systems by elimination. First, we're going to look at exercise 10, and in doing so, we need to make a couple of adjustments. I guess it was just a rough day sometimes when you build in a problem to do. So first off, this 48, let's change this to a 49. Just trust me on that. So the perimeter of a rectangle is 49 meters. Great. Now, it says the width of the rectangle is 2 more than half the width. Let's change this to length. The length of a rectangle is 2 more than half the width. Now we are ready to go solve. Let's go write this and figure out how to do to be successful. Okay. So perimeter of a rectangle, we remember that a perimeter is 2 times the length plus 2 times the width. That's what we've been working with for years. And for this particular setting, we know that the perimeter is 49. So let's rewrite this equation to be a little bit more user-friendly. So I've got 49 equals 2 times the length plus 2 times the width. All right. And our length is. So this word is, that means equals. It does. When it's is or has or was, that's equal sign. 2 more than. So this is a plus 2 of something. Because it's 2 more than means to add. And then it says half the width. What does half look like? Like half. It looks like half of the width. Okay, this is my system of equations that we need to go solve. So let's have a reality check moment. Is this a system that would be best solved for using the elimination method? Well, first questions first. Are my equations in the exact same order? Number equal LW. L equal W number. No, this is not good for elimination. It's just not. So why is it in this elimination packet? Because we need to not be on autopilot and just do everything the same. This is a throwback to the previous lesson where we solved by substitution. How do I know this is going to be substitution? One of my equations is solve for a variable already. So we don't have to do too much work as far as getting it prepped to solve. So let's go substitute this into the other equation. So that gives me 49 equals 2 times 1/2 of the width plus 2. Now plus my other 2W. Great. Let's solve for the width. 49. What is 2 times 1/2? What's half of 2? Just one width. A positive times a positive is a positive. 2 times 2 is 4. Yep. And then our last 2W. All right. Let's get rid of the 4. How do I do that? Subtract. And what you do on one side of the river, yep, you do to the other side of the river. Hey, what's 49 minus 4? 45, you bet. So 45 equals 1 width plus 2 more widths. So what is 1 W plus 2 more W's? Yep, it's 3 W's, 3 widths. How do you get rid of this 3? What do you have to do? Good job remembering. You divide. And what you do on one side, yes, you do to the other. Excellent. So what is 45 divided by 3? Good, it's 15. That is the width. We have found one of the dimensions of our rectangle. Let's go find the length real quick. So we're going to take this 15 and plug it into that W right there. So my length will be 1/2 of 15 plus 2. What is half of 15? 15 divided by 2. What is that as a decimal? 7.5. There you go. And to finish this off, 7.5 plus 2 is 9.5. Fantastic. So now we know the length equals 9.5 meters and the width equals 15 meters. There is no rule that says the width has to be shorter than the length. Nope, not ever. So this is it. Okay, why don't you go try and tackle number 9? That does solve nicely by elimination. So that'll go with our lesson for today perfectly with no typos to correct. All right, have a great day. Let me know if you need some help.